Howdy everyone. So this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. I'm at the Rienzi, and so we're on the amenity floor, and this is a really unusual setup. I like this a lot. It feels more like a hotel, like a boutique hotel. It just carries the boutique feeling of the Rienzi at Turtle Creek. So you've got just a really nice outdoor lounge with some lighting and with that adorable just wall of water coming down. Oh, I love that. I mean, can you imagine just being out here and relaxing, hearing that sound? Just would be amazing. So this is feel. You've got a gorgeous feel, and then look at this. I mean, look at stuff like this. I love it when, like, you see some of the, like, your neighbors here with, I guess they've been here more than 1 or 2 years. I mean, like, they've got that fully set up with a lot of plants. Look at this neighbor over here. This one's has all sorts of stuff set up over here on their lounge, their patio area. This is so pretty. I love the feel of this. This is so adorable. And then the pool is up there. So we're going to explore that pool in just a minute. This is so attractive. If you have any questions about this area or just about the Rienzi at Turtle Creek, send me a text, and I look forward to hearing from you on that. Now we're actually going to walk up here, and we're going to see the pool.